Hey there. Thanks for watching my Campfire Spark review by ClickBank and Perry Belcher, where I'm not just going to walk you through the sales page and show you the demo video like a lot of other marketers do. I'm Susie. I'll be your affiliate marketing informant today, informing you of everything you want and need to know about affiliate marketing. This Campfire Spark review is based on my honest opinion of actually purchasing this product and logging into the dashboard myself. I'm going to take you with me as we research this platform, the strategy they want you to use, and any problems that I see with it. If you are looking for beginner training on getting started with affiliate marketing, be sure to click our instant access link in the description below. If you find value in this video, please give it a like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell, and let me know in the comments if you have any questions. We'll be happy to answer them for you as soon as we can. Now, let's see what Campfire Spark promises us. Want bigger commissions? $500 million super affiliate shares his secrets live. If we scroll down a little bit further, we find out that $500 million super affiliate is Perry Belcher. He is a ClickBank super affiliate, and his training is going to let you in on a few secrets. Campfire is a private community for top performing ClickBank affiliates, and he will go live in person twice a week. And those in-depth trainings come with Campfire for just $7 a month. If we scroll down a little bit further, the $2,000 bonus is the secret selling system. Now, I don't usually talk about bonuses, but there's a reason for that. Once we get inside the dashboard, you find out right away that the only thing in here is the secret selling system. Altogether, there's 20 hours of training, and these videos are about 45 minutes each. So if we go back to the sales page and we take a look at the purchase button for Campfire Spark, it is going to be $7 a month for payment. And this gives you the ability to join the community on Facebook for live sessions. If we take a look at the Spark members community, there are 13.6 thousand members. They do have a pretty active community in that there's 61 posts in the last month. And it was actually on Facebook that I found the answer to my question about why Campfire Spark just had the secret selling system in it. So this person, when they joined Spark, was under the impression that it would open up all of the courses, but it only gives access to the secret selling system. When they try to access the other courses, it actually requests payment, so they are not included in the membership. One of the responses was that is in fact the case. Campfire is only the foundation for getting started. You will actually need to invest in specialized training to go any deeper. So now that we know what the difference is between the Campfire Spark and the actual secret selling system, once you get started watching these videos, by about part 2, you realize that Perry is presenting to an audience full of business owners, salespeople, and members of his expensive mastermind group. These people in his audience have years of experience, and he speaks to them at their level. So this is not going to be a step-by-step or even over-the-shoulder training. It can be super confusing for a beginner to understand some of the concepts that he's discussing in here. The training actually revolves around the psychological theory of marketing and customer avatars that your business already created for its marketing campaigns. And they use that information to actually tweak your lead magnets and funnels. So if you're a beginner, this could already be asking you for more than you've even done getting started on your business. Do you have customer avatars for your marketing campaigns? Do you already have lead magnets and funnels? And can you afford to switch those out and move those around based on the advice that he's giving you? Because if you don't, and you're a beginner, this is not going to be for you. The actual funnel discussions revolve more around tracking your customers, how they come in and out of your website, and how to move them through your funnel. But there's no specific discussion of how to make funnels. It's assumed that you know how to make funnels, what tagging and segmenting mean in your autoresponder email campaigns, and what to do with your incoming opt-in emails. Once you complete the system, it does take you to another dashboard where you can see some of the pre-recorded live sessions already. But to go any further than this, you are going to have to spend more money to get additional training. And in these sessions, they're not going to be going backwards to explain funnels. They really do just move forward. So what's the strategy with Campfire Spark? On the purchase page, they tell us it's to join the community for live sessions twice a week, where you will be taught the basics of getting started as a ClickBank seller and an affiliate, answer questions, and share exclusive trade secrets. The actual strategy for the Campfire Spark is to pay $7 for this intermediate level training for current business owners or mastermind groups that already have these processes of lead magnets and funnels and customer avatars and marketing plans already in place. It also gives you access to any pre-recorded live sessions if you would like to re-watch them. But to get any additional training, you will have to continue paying this $7 a month in addition to the extra cost of the training. My biggest problem with Campfire Spark is that this is not for beginners. Beginners are going to be extremely confused. You need a working knowledge of your target market, lead magnets, current funnels, and autoresponders to make the necessary changes that you are told to make in the training. And yes, all of those were plural because as an intermediate level affiliate marketer, you already have all of those things and a knowledge of them. There were actually no ClickBank discussions in the secret selling system portion. Once you start watching some of these recorded live sessions, there are questions about ClickBank in here, but they're from a place of already being a ClickBank affiliate and not being a newbie or a beginner. Look, if you're an intermediate level affiliate marketer and you can understand how to pull information out of hours of seminars that are going to be important to you and your business specifically, this is great training. But if you are a beginner and you don't even have a working knowledge of a lead magnet, a funnel, or your target market, then Campfire Spark is not going to be for you. I would definitely wait until I had a little bit more experience under my belt to even start looking at the Campfire Spark training. But I'll leave it up to you. I just know that if I had come to this training before I went through my coach's beginner step-by-step training located in the instant access link in the description below, I would definitely have way more questions than I do answers just to get started. If you found value in this video, please give it a like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell. And I really hope this Campfire Spark review answered all of your questions. If it didn't and you still have questions, let me know in the comments below. Thank you for watching.